Hello everyone. It was the first video on the problems of the arrays. We have to find the largest number and the second largest number. For example, like we have given an array. It was maybe sorted or unsorted, any of them. Like first we take unsorted, like that. It was an unsorted array. We have to find the largest number in that. Like make a loop. It was the for each loop we can use simple for loop, any of the loop. We have to just traverse on the array. First we traverse on the array and check the condition. If this max was greater than first index, then max was that. Here first was the 0 and it was the greater than max. Like here was the first, it will be max become the 4. And the next traverse, it was the greater than the max, next element also, then max will become the 5. Then we check the next element was the less than the max, then it will skip it. Next was the 5, it will change it, but it will the same as. Next was the 7, it will change it, it was 5 to 7. Next was the 2, it will skip that. I also show the dry run of also. First complete the code. Okay, we received the 7 because the maximum number was the 7 here. Let's see. And for the loop, dry run, we can do one thing here, add a one print statement. See, here first was the change the max to 4, then 5, then 7, then 7. Okay, it was the dry run, we can also say that. If we, for example, we have to find the second largest number, we just do one thing. We did not traverse one traversal less than the main traversal. If, for example, like we have a variable, for example, like make a one thing, it will we make it as max equal max. We making our maximum into changing the second max. If it change in the first traversal and the last traversal, it will not change, even it will become the max. Like I will show you how. But it will show error where we have to handling the duplicates. Here the second largest was, first was this 5 and second was the first was the 7 and second was the 5. But if there was the multiple cases, like here